Would you be interested in a renewable energy system which pays for itself within a very short period of time? I would be. Actually, I'd be very interested in owning a renewable energy generation system, even if it recouped my investment in 10 years. Hi, my name is Mohidul Saad, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. I will show you in next 3.5 minutes how you can own a renewable energy generation system in about 5 to 7 years, which pays for itself.
A renewable energy generation system uses free sunlight to produce energy and significantly reduce your electric bill. The standard electricity bill reduction through owning your own solar system is about 90%. There are numerous benefits to reducing your electric bill by 90%. Significantly lowered electric bills will be easier on your wallet, and you will earn the right to use the savings on yourself instead of wasting them on utility. If you are saving 90% per month, just imagine the savings you will enjoy for the entire life of the renewable energy system. Solar energy systems save you 90% or more in electric bills every month. Over time, you will accumulate large sums of money from the savings. As you are already aware, electricity prices go up 3 to 5% every year, and the potential savings are even higher when that happens. Since you generate 90% of your own electricity, the price hike won't be as significant, as you are not dependent on your power company for 90% of your electricity needs. The price hike will only impact you for the electricity that you will be buying from the power company. All of these may sound great, but you may be wondering about the cost of such a system. Naturally, you will need to invest some money, but that investment will be recouped within a very short period of time. The recoup time varies, but the investment is usually recouped within 5 to 7 years under normal circumstances. Sounds too good to be true. Just hold on, and it will be very clear to you within the next few minutes. The initial investment in securing a renewable energy system can be as much as $20,000 for an average residential 5 kilowatt system. In the long run, the significant savings you will reap will pay off the system costs and put additional money back into your pocket. The solar panels are warranted for 25 years, and they usually function efficiently for that long, and even longer, with only 10% loss in efficiency. If you are paying $200 a month in pre-solar electric bills, and you only pay $20 in post-solar electric bills, the savings is about $180. The $180 post-solar savings per month in your electric bills will slowly accumulate savings of $54,000 over the course of the next 25 years. The good news is that the profit is nearly double the initial investment. Wait, there is more good news. The federal government reimburses you 30% of your investment, and for that, you get $6,000, which reduces your investment to $14,000. Some states have their own programs which reimburse you between 0 to 50% of the solar investment. Let us assume for now that your state reimburses 30% of your renewable energy investment. This free money from the state reduces your investment by another $6,000 and brings the total investment down to $8,000. You will recoup your investment of $8,000 in 5.5 years. Owning a renewable energy generation system in 5 to 7 years is not a dream, but a reality. You have the power to cut your electricity costs by 90% and earn the freedom to spend the savings anywhere you like. All it takes is some information and determination to take action.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit solarinstallguru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar related money saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinstallguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at SolarInstGuru and like us on Facebook.com/SolarInstallGuru. Thank you.